that's fucking cool. Well, how's this a Bristol institution?
Because it's well known. It's famous.
In Bristol.
Yeah.
Do you have lost and found? Do you have lost and found things here? Because I lost a hearing yesterday.
Do you guys do coffee or anything like that?
No.
Until what time does everything open up?
The pub's closed today, so I recommend coffee shops down the road. The bus station, so I think it's really close.
Yeah.
We'll find him in
I know.
I just want to go left.
Yeah, I want the directions is what I'm doing.
Keep left. Keep on the left-hand side of the M30.
Wait, so go out here, turn left.
Yeah, turn left. Go underneath that archway there.
Yeah.
Turn left. Keep the big road on your right-hand side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the way down there.
Yeah.
Past the crossing.
Cross the
You'll
crossing.
see like on your right-hand side. You'll see like No. What was it now? You get past. There's a big building on the right-hand side. That's the Cabot Circus shopping mall.
Yeah, I saw that.
Past that, you'll see there's a Future Inns.
Yeah.
You want to go underneath the Future Inns. There's an archway underneath the Future Inns.
Yeah.
You go through that. You come out the other side. The Volunteer Tavern is just behind that.
You know, I found it by accident the first time I found it.
Yeah.
Literally by accident.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go drop these off. Do you want me to drop anything off for you? Camera, anything? Your camera, anything?
No, I'm taking this.
Okay.
I just need a strap, that's the thing. But I'll just have to
You're
deal with
literally
it.
carrying all of your shit with you.
Not all my shit. I've got stuff upstairs.
You've got like one shirt and one.
There's laundry. Oh, by the way, yeah, we need to pay £8 for the laundry. Do you want to put any laundry in with the box?
I've already washed it. It's on the dryer.
Okay.
I've got the card so I can pay for
Okay.
it.
Yeah, I wish you told me because I could have.
Yeah, I know. I wish you
Wash
were
the
around to tell
underwear.
me.
Take that upstairs.
I was gonna go and grab a bag ahead.
Alright. So, yeah, how much are you? £8.
It's £8, yeah.
What?
I think I need to look some of the other.
Can we load enough on there that we don't have to keep getting stuck like this? And remember, this is going off my 350, so the calculator's there.
We'll work that out later, okay?
I'm sure if we get some backup financially, we don't have to keep running into this problem. We can pay it back when we're back.
Just let me get to that, okay? Let me just do one thing at a time.
Okay. Here you go. Oh, wait. So Jack, what's your favourite pizza? What are your pepperonis like? Because that's my go-to. I used to run a pizza joint.
Yeah.
Yeah, back in Melbourne.
I slicing our own pepperoni in it, so we're getting the whole sausage and slicing it. Yeah, pepperoni's good, obviously, but we're doing
You put it on top of the cheese or under the cheese?
just on top of it.
Yeah, now that I've tried with the pepperoni under the cheese, I can't go back.
Yeah, man. That's how I used to do
We
it.
use diced mozzarella.
You know what we do actually? You know what we did? We do it a small layer under the cheese and a few over the top, and you get that kind of cheeseburger effect. And the top, like the little salami cups would have that little bit of oil in there, and the crispy top of the top, and man, when that with the cheese and a little bit of extra cheese, my pepperoni pizza is like my favorite thing in the world, next to popcorn.
People love pepperoni. That's not popular. I think it's.
Bro, it's a no-brainer. Do you do pineapple pizzas though? Oh, come on, man. Hey, if you sprinkle pineapple on a pepperoni like that, you'd be surprised, mate. You're the chef. What are you talking?
No, it's my business, but it's I've got a chef working for me.
You're the boss.
I'm the boss.
Exactly.
I do the roast mainly, but the pizza's another thing. We're doing both. But yeah.
I've got a guy he's going to start doing pizzas at our bar from 12 till 2 in the morning. Yeah. Just slices.
Where's your bar?
In Budapest.
Budapest, yeah.
Yeah. Have you been there?
No, I've never been.
A lot of people haven't here.
Yeah,
but then there's a lot of Brits who come. It's weird. It's like we're inundated with British tourists, especially for stags and stuff.
Yeah.
And yet when I'm here in the UK, I'm like, have you heard of Budapest? People are like, is it Romania? No. So that's Bucharest. Hey?
Is it Hungary?
Hungary, yeah. Hungary is Bristol if it was Berlin, and I guess, yeah, Bucharest mixed together. Because Camden, it's like Camden.
Is it? Yeah.
Yeah.
I'd like to go. My friend went there and she was teaching English out there.
Yeah, I started doing that, and then I ended up with a bar. I got lumped with it. My partner, she's the CEO of she hates me saying this because it sounds like we're just trying to big ourselves up, but like she's the CEO of the biggest party tourism company in the city.
Oh yeah.
And she single-handedly turned it into a tolerable city, which is really fucking cool, to like an intolerable city that is still really, really cool, but it's inundated with pub crawls and fucking boat parties, and it drives me nuts.
Oh what? Her company done all that?
Yeah, she started it.
I bet they love her there.
Yeah, they do.
What?
So which means that,
For the money.
yeah, which means she always gets the backup when we're having an argument. She's the Queen of Budapest. She hates that nickname, but it's hard to be married to the Queen.
What, you guys on holiday, on honeymoon?
We had our honeymoon. The honeymoon is over, man. This is couples therapy we're going through now.
Yeah?
Yes, seriously. We got away from the bar because our personal shit was affecting the bar. So we left it in the hands of the guys, and it's falling apart all around us, and we can't wait to get back, but
you
we can't...
go somewhere like out of the way. Away from the city, just you two alone.
There's reasons why we're here.
You could make...
I kind of dragged her over here because I was here a week ago and I had to return a set of keys that I found in my pocket.
Yeah.
Which belonged to a local guy here.
Yeah.
What do you call them? Bristolites? Bristonians. So the Bristonians brought me back.
Yeah.
I was dating a Bristolian for 7 years. Nearly got married when I was in my 20s, so that's how Bristol got on my map.
Yeah.
And yeah, when I came here on the Halloween weekend, made some friends, and I basically just owe them because they helped me out a lot.
Their keys, yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, so, oh man, it was a nightmare. He basically, he let me use his shower because I literally was going from here to Cardiff, and I had a night out where on that Saturday there was no accommodation anywhere. So I ended up just going to a club called Prism until Stumps. And then I was hanging out with this homeless lady, and then basically I ended up going to Cardiff to have a shower with at my mate's place to go to fucking London to fly out to America.
Yeah.
But the dude who said, yeah, come over and have a shower at my place. I met him at McDonald's in the morning, and we ended up at his place, and he seemed like a character, and I was like he'd been out all night, and I was like, do you wouldn't have any stuff to help me out? And he goes, yeah, sure. He puts that on the table, and he goes, oh, that's CK. Yeah. And I'm like, what's that? 20 minutes later, I'm tweaking out in his backyard, and he's trying to get me in because I'm like thinking he's going to murder me and stuff. And I found his keys on the steps as I was going to the bathroom just before it all hit, and I was like, oh fuck, he's left them on his steps. I go, oh, he probably needs these. So I put them in my pocket, went upstairs, took a piss, came back down, and then boom, the last thing on my mind were the keys. Yeah. And I realised, like, when I got the card, I was like, what's in my pocket? What the fuck? Whose keys are these? Oh no, it's George's. And then so he met us last night to get the keys back. What's that look? Good?
Ready? You want to go to the valley? Let's go to the valley.
Alright. Now, money is on there?
Yes.
Yeah, all sorted, all gone through and everything.
Oh, did I pay?
Yeah.
God.
You tapped earlier.
That's scary, the fact that I paid for something and didn't remember. What else have I paid for that I don't remember? Anyway, alright guys.
Nice one.
Alright, so an NPC is the characters that you can run over because like they're just there for the game. But people act like that too, like
in the game, yeah.
So, but in real life, if you're walking down the street and someone's just standing in it's like what I use for my bless you, for my gigs. But I get to keep the SD card because it's got all my footage on it.
Should I take the SD card out?
This is Pete, he's the hero of the day. This is Dave, he looks like Millhouse. There's Anna, she's the first person I met here. There's Sammy, hey Sammy. Give us a smile, sweetheart.
Oh no.
No, it's beautiful. Your eyes are nice. Actually, they are.
You're a charmer, aren't you?
Tell my wife that. Why is it on white balance? That's better.
I am afraid to you. Especially I've got spots at the moment. I never get spots.
Mate,
What, zits?
well, isn't it? It's like, when it's
You,
cold like this.
Sammy, you got like a Sinead O'Connor.
What?
Sinead O'Connor look.
Little guy.
You know Sinead O'Connor?
Yeah, no, she passed away.
Yeah, I know, how sad. She was really good at doing crocodile tears.
Yeah. But nothing compares, isn't it?
Yeah, that's perfect. You're sharp, Sammy. Oh.
I've got to be...
I were there the other night, and they've already said, look, you guys were arguing too much. So, and you were smoking dope in the courtyard. I was like, so was everyone else, man. They said maybe not a good idea for me to go there. The cheapest and one closest to that, or closest to here, I'd be happy with. It doesn't have to be nice, just a shithole. I was trying next door, to be honest, but what?
The rock and bowl in the centre.
Sounds good. Rock and bowl. Sounds good. I'm in a rock and roll band, so. By the way, this is my last official recording with this camera. Thank you, Lumix, for being so kind. I prefer the analog, to be honest, so I'm not going to miss you that much. And you'll be put to good use. There's your new owner. That's Pete, Pirate Pete, with the orange hat. He and Georgia have the same hat by accident. Just like this guy over here has a scarf somewhere. Where is it, Dave? It's the same as this. There it is. Check that out. Don't tell me that his scarf is cut from the same cloth as this stuff. Look at this. Look, can you see? There's my shirt, and there's the scarf. There's the shirt, there's the scarf. Can't see the difference. It's a lovely scarf, Pete. Dave. Anyway, thank you, Lumix. There's a doggy. Look at it. What's the name again?
Tiptoe.
Tiptoe? Tiptoe, are you going to get your name on the bar? Or your picture? Ah, she's just yawning. Got beautiful blue eyes. Look at that. Let me take a photo. Mate, you get some good footage of her with it.